Why does your scanner show the P0556 engine code? What does it mean? P0556 is a diagnostic trouble code for brake booster pressure sensor circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's PCM has detected a malfunction in the brake booster pressure sensor circuit, likely indicating a problem with the sensor itself, its wiring, or a vacuum leak affecting its readings. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Brake booster pressure sensor issues, vacuum system problems, brake booster problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Jetta, Malibu, Spark, and Cruise. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.